Namaste students. Today I am going to teach you subject general science. In general science we will study next part of chapter 14, measurement and effects of heat. Heat and temperature. What is difference between heat and temperature? We know that a substance is made up of atoms. The atoms in a substance are always in motion. The total kinetic energy of the atom in a substance is a measure of the heat contained in that substance, while the temperature of a substance is related to the average kinetic energy of atoms. If the average kinetic energy of atoms in two objects is equal, then their temperature will also be equal. See this figure. In figure A and B shows the velocities of atoms in a gas at high and low temperature respectively. The direction and the length of the arrow attached to the atom shows the direction and magnitude of the velocity of the atoms. The velocity of the atoms in gas at higher temperature is larger than the velocity of atoms in the gas at lower temperature. See this picture. Here the velocity of atoms of gas is high or larger than velocity of cooler gas. The velocities of atoms in a solid object are shown by arrow in figure C. The atoms in a solid object are tied to one another because of the forces acting between them, so they cannot be displaced from their places. Because of heat, they oscillate around their fixed position. Higher the temperature of the solid, faster is their velocity of oscillation. Suppose A and B are two objects made up from the same substance. The mass of A is twice the mass of B, which means that the number of atoms in A is twice the number of atoms in B. Even if the temperature of A and B are equal, that is, the average kinetic energy of atoms in A is the same as that of in B. The total kinetic energy of atoms in A is twice that in B. Thus, the heat content of A is twice that of B, even though they both have the same temperature. Experiment. Here, first take two steel vessels A and B of the same size. To fill some water in A and double that of amount in B. Make sure that the water in both vessels are at the same temperature. Rise the temperature of water in both vessels by 10 degrees Celsius using spirit lamp. Did it take the same time to increase the temperature in two vessels? You must have required more time to rise the temperature of water in B. This means that for the same increase in temperature, you had to give more amount of heat to B. Thus, even though the water in A and B have same temperature, the amount of heat in B more than that in A. Temperature is measured in units of Celsius or degree Celsius, Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit, and Kelvin, K. Kelvin is used in scientific experiments, while the other two are used in daily life. The relation between the three units is shown by the following formula. See here. F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C divided by 5. This is the relation between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Here, Kelvin is equal to K is equal to C plus 273.50. Some specific temperatures are given in three scales in the following table. Verify that they are satisfy the above relation and fill appropriate numbers in the blanks. You have to complete this table at home by using above relation. boiling point of water in degree Fahrenheit 212, 100 degrees Celsius and 373.15 K. Freezing point of water 32, here 0, here Kelvin 273. Room temperature 72 degree Fahrenheit, 23 degrees Celsius and 296 K. Boiling point of mercury, we have to use formula and find these values. Solve examples. First, how much will the temperature of 68 degree Fahrenheit to be in Celsius and Kelvin? Solution. Temperature in Fahrenheit is equal to F is equal to 68. Temperature in Celsius, C is equal to question mark. Temperature in Kelvin, K is equal to question mark. Using formula, F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C divided by 5U. Here value of F is equal to 68. Here 68 minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C divided by 5U. 68 minus 32 is equal to 36 divided by 9 is equal to C divided by 5U. Therefore C is equal to 4 multiplied by 5U. Therefore C is equal to 20 degree Celsius. K is equal to C plus 273.15 is equal to 20 plus 273.15 is equal to 293.15 K. Thanks for watching this video.